In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and secure your account on the Google Temu platform. Whether you're a new user or just need a little help with the process, I'll walk you through the steps you need to feel secure using this service. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll begin by accessing the Temu platform. Go ahead and open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Temu website address and hit enter. Once you're there, the homepage should load up smoothly. It's important to ensure you're on the official page, so do verify the URL to keep your personal information safe. Once you are on the Temu homepage, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Typically, you can find this option in the upper right corner of your screen. Look for your avatar or your account name and give it a click. This will take you to your profile section where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, let's focus on fortifying your account security. Within your profile, you should see an option labeled Account Security. Select this, and you'll be directed to a page dedicated to enhancing the security of your account. Account security is crucial as it helps protect your personal information from unauthorized access. So, taking a few minutes here is a worthwhile investment for your peace of mind. Now here's an essential step. If you haven't verified your account yet, look for a button or a link that says Verify Now. This is usually located next to your email address on the account security page. Clicking this will initiate the account verification process. Completing this step is vital as it can help prevent any fraudulent activity on your account, ensuring that you're the only one accessing your data. And just like that, you're done. By following these simple steps, you've taken significant strides toward securing your account on the Google Temu platform. Remember, the digital world is always evolving, and staying one step ahead involves regular updates and checks on your account security settings. If you ever run into issues or need a refresher, don't hesitate to revisit this walkthrough. As we wrap up, I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Taking a proactive approach to your online security not only safeguards your information, but also boosts your confidence in navigating different platforms. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, stay secure and enjoy your time on Temu.